create content for affiliate marketing, right? So I'm going to teach you guys how you can create content from scratch being a beginner because a lot of people when they first start out, they're scared because they have no results and they really think results means something when you first start out. You have to remember that everyone starts from zero and you have to work your way up to wherever you want to be at, right? So let's get into it. So first thing is finding content. So how do you find content? It's not as hard to think about. You have so many social media platforms you could go find your content on. So basically, we're basically reverse engineering, finding stuff that works and converts, and we're basically going to imitate it into our own version. You don't want to copy it from like, don't be somebody that you're not. Be you. Find something that you're interested in. For example, I'm going to go to Google, which is a lot easier. It's a lot easier this way. Just go to Google. Finding a motivational quote. Go to images, and then you could post something like similar like this onto your Facebook or make a video about it. Well, just a 5-10 second video and post it. Just post it. And then we're gonna repurpose it. And I would choose 6 platforms that you could select from. That was gonna be Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, and Pinterest. To create your content, do not worry about it sucking or not getting any engagement or not getting any likes or people aren't engaging to it because that's very natural when you first start off because no one knows who you are. And you have to train the algorithm to push your content out there because you have to also interact with your audience because you're building audience. You're not just gonna be posting and say, "Oh, I'm gonna post today, and then tomorrow, and then I'm gonna get results right away." Whether it's gonna be like a sell or like or comment engagement, because people have to know who you are. They have to say, "Oh, you know what? They this person is a real person, and I'm gonna check out their content. And because their content is good, and I'll engage with them, whether it's gonna be liking them, make starting conversation, and yeah, that's how you build relationships. Because when you start affiliate marketing, people don't click on your thing because they want to buy. They want to see what you have to say, what you have to share, and what you can actually teach them, right? So once you basically create your content, you're just gonna post on one platform, and then you can post on all the other platforms that you're gonna want to use. I highly recommend you use 6 because the more you use, the more eyeballs you'll get to your who you are and your brand or whatever you're trying to do. And that's why I would highly recommend you to just create a piece of content and repurpose it to multiple platforms. And you have also have a website, post on your website. You know, let people know what you're like trying to do. And that's how you can create content from scratch. Because a lot of people think you need like results, but you don't need results, right? Just create content and post it. And the more consistent you are, the more the algorithms are gonna start showing your post to people. Gonna shoot out to random people that you don't know, people that are interested in what you're doing. And guess what? If they're interested in what you're doing, they're highly likely to be interested to learn from you. And guess what that means? You're gonna be pretty much be the alpha wolf, which means people are gonna look up to you. And when they look up to you, they want to listen to hear what you say, and that's how you build relationship, and that's how you can start creating content for your affiliate marketing products or offers, right? And you guys have any information, any questions or comments? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm always open to talk to you guys about whatever you have to ask.